Good morning, student. This is the continuation video of lesson photosynthesis. In the last video I explained about that the process of photosynthesis and which raw material which is required for the process of photosynthesis I taught you in the last video. In that video I am going to explain the new topic stomata. Stomata means what? It is a small opening on the surface of leaves. In the stomata, in Greek language is called as a mouth. Means we have a nose. With the help of our nose, we can exchange the gases, means take the oxygen and throw out the carbon dioxide. So, on the plant, we take the cross section of the leaves and examine under the microscope. We observe the many tiny pores are present on the surface of leaves, and these tiny pore is called as the stomata. In singular is called stoma and collectively is called as the stomata. Means what? Stomata are the minute opening and generally found in the epidermis of the leaves, and it is also found in the plant leaves and the stem branches. Means there the part of the plant have a green in color. There is present the stomata. See student, stomata, this is the structure of stomata. With the help of stomata, plant can take the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as well as water vapors and throw out the oxygen to the atmosphere. The number of stomata are present on the surface of leaves. It depends on the weather condition, such as higher level, means there is a moisture, the lower carbon dioxides, their number is increases, means better environment, the better photosynthesis rate. Got it? In the desert area, there is the dry atmosphere. With the help of stomata, the plant can throw out the excess water, so there is the less number of stomata are present, and most of the time the stomata are closed because of to save the water for the plant. Got it student? The stomata with the means what? Stomata is the opening which is present on the surface of leaf, and the stomata remain open during the daytime and close at a night time, and the closer stomata prevent the water in the plant. Okay, now we are going to see the structure of stomata. See, this is the structure of stomata. Means the stomata is made by the guard cell. Each stoma is made the two bean shaped guard cell. See, the guard cell, the two guard cells, it is a bean shape which are found surrounding the stoma and collectively, and both ends are joined. See, the opening, this opening of the stoma, this is called stomatal opening. The two bean shaped guard cells, they are joined on the end of the both. This is the structure of guard. This is the structure of stomata. Got it student? Means the stomata is the small opening which is present on the surface of leaves, and the stomata is made by the two guard cell. In the guard cell there is present the chloroplast. Chloroplast is an organelle. Due to this chloroplast, the plant capturing the light energy and make their own food. Got it student? What is mean by stomata? And stomata is made from the two bean shaped guard cell. See the mechanism of opening and closing stomata. This is the first structure. The first figure, it contains the water vacuoles, and the water vacuoles filled with water. Due to the filling water, the guard cells become a turgid, swelling up. When the guard cells are swelling up, that time the stomata is open. See this structure. This is the water vacuoles. It is filled with water. There is some potassium ion. Due to this filling water and potassium ion, the guard cells are turgid, swelling up, and the stomata is open. This is called as the mechanism of opening stomata, and it is opposite in the figure B. There is the guard cell. The guard cells are closed. Why? Because the water vacuoles. In the vacuoles there is no water. Shrink the water vacuoles, and due to this shrinkage of water vacuoles, the guard cell is a flaccid, and the flaccid guard cells to close the stomata, means the opening of stomata due to the turgidity of guard cell and closing of the stomata due to the flaccidity of the guard cell. Understood, student? What is the mechanism of opening and closing stomata? Let us see what is the main function of stomata. I told you stomata is the mouth of the leaf. With the help of these stomata, plant exchange the gases. Means the plant can take the carbon dioxide from atmosphere in the leaf and throw out the water and oxygen from leaf to the atmosphere. Means with the help of stomata, plant can exchange the gases. And second main function of the stomata, help the process of transpiration. Transpiration, I told you. Transpiration means the process in which the plant can throw the water in the aerial parts. This process is called as the transpiration, and it is the many details we have to study in the higher classes. Transpiration is many useful for the plant to suction force, create the suction force. Okay, like that. Got it, student? What is mean by stomata? Again, let me revise it. What is the stomata? Means stomata what? Stomata is the opening which is present on the surface of leaf. Stomata is the small opening which is present on the surface of leaf. The stomata is made by the two guard shape cell, bean shaped cell. The guard cell present the chloroplast pigment. It contains the chlorophyll. Due to this chlorophyll, the plant can trap the sunlight, and the opening and closing of the stomata is the turgidity and flaccidity of the guard cell. When the guard cells are turgid, means the guard cell filled with water swelling up, that time the stomata is open. And when the guard cells shrink the water, flaccid in condition, that time stomata is closed. And the main function of stomata to exchange the carbon dioxide and water from leaf to the atmosphere and atmosphere to the leaf. And with the help of stomata, the plant can transpiration. Got it, student? What is the structure of stomata, function of stomata, and mechanism of opening and closing of stomata? In the next video, I will explain you what is the structure of leaf. Thank you.